Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at back acne, or backne if you prefer. While you check out some examples of back pimples, let me remind you to check out my main page, World's Greatest Medical. There's a link in the description below. With over 120,000 subscribers, World's Greatest Medical is the source for great surgery, pimple popping, weight loss, and cyst busting videos. In this video, we'll show you various examples of back blackheads, pimples, and acne. According to everydayhealth.com, your face isn't the only place where acne can appear. It can affect any body part that has oil-secreting glands or hair follicles, including your back, chest, and shoulders. Back acne, sometimes referred to as backne, can be particularly troublesome. While 92% of people with acne have facial acne, 60% also have back acne, and sometimes even chest acne. Having acne on your back and or chest is a sign that your acne is more likely to be severe. By the way, if you get acne, I highly recommend using a pimple popper tool to pop those zits without spreading infection or leaving scars. I'll put a link to my favorite kit below, and don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs that use the duplicate pictures on Amazon. This kit is the real deal. The type of acne lesions that can occur on your back include whiteheads, blackheads, papules, pustules, nodules, and cysts. You can't always treat back acne, but avoiding certain medications and creams can make a difference. Hormones also play a major role in this condition.